God bless my people. God bless you all as you join me. God bless you all. God bless you. God bless you. It's like it's a little bit dark. A little bit dark. Hello, 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 hello. Hi, hi, hi. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. As you join me, please help me to share. Help me to share. Help me to share. As I'm doing the same thing here now, help me to share. Help me to share. You are welcome. You are welcome on board. Help me to share, please, as you come. Help me to share, 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 share. Hello, hello, everyone. God bless you as you come in. Share. Help me to share to somebody. Invite someone. Invite somebody. Invite somebody. As we are doing the same thing here, please help me to share and invite somebody. Please, 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 please. Let's go. Hello, everyone. God bless you. Share, 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 and invite somebody. Invite somebody to join us. Share and help me to invite somebody. God bless you. 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 How are we doing? How are we doing? How are we doing? Share, 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 share. Share and invite somebody as we are playing music here. I'm trying to invite someone. I'm trying to invite somebody. Please help me to do the same thing. Let's go on board. Invite somebody. I'm doing the same thing here. Hello, 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 hello. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Depends on wherever you are watching me for. God bless you. Help me to share and invite someone. Invite somebody, please. Help me to share and invite somebody, please. Share, 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 share. Let this message go round. Let it go round. Let it go round. Share, share and invite someone. Invite somebody. God bless you as you join me. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you as you join me. Invite somebody, please. Invite somebody. Invite somebody. Let's do it. Let's do it. Invite somebody as you come. God bless you as you come and join me. Let's play music here. Because I love music. Let's play music, music, music. Which music will we play now? Let's see soon. Which music will we play? Which music will we play? Hello, hello, hello everyone. Hello, hello. How are we doing? How are we doing? Hi, hi, hi. Please, as you come, help me to share and invite someone. Invite somebody. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. I know they find trouble. Your way. You carry me go Babalawo. Papa, if you're answering, you the fight in my battle, anytime I be way. Papa, if you're answering, more away. Oh yeah, chase them all away. Oh yeah, chase them all away. No, yeah, they huh? Oh, they know what you need be one select. Oh, Agbamate oh, nani agebe. Super, aka do na rave yeke. Ogage no ki ogage no be. Eh? You are welcome on board. Please help me to share. Share to somebody. Invite somebody. Eh? Agbonevi my jay. Eh? Oh, no. No go glad. Eh? Oh, now we're done there. No, but like it. Baba, oh, fear and you dey fighting my battle every time I delay. Baba, oh, fear and make your fire, they chase them all away. Eh? Oh, yeah, chase them all away. Oh, yeah, chase them all away. Eh? Now one try me. Eh? Now say it's supposed to be. Oh no. Gele. Avega no woga vema. Ngasiale lota. Ekisiale lota no. Avega woga vema. Yeah. Ekisiale lota no. Avega no woga vema. Dia you sota baleo. Ekisiale lota no. Avega no woga vema. Eh? Eh? So we are starting now. Hello everyone. Hello. How we dey now? Eh? How we dey? Happy weekend. Happy the week. God bless you. God bless you all as you join me, even as you watch later. Our topic here today, we should be careful what we do to people, because later on it will come back to us, because we are living in the law of karma. Anything you do to anybody, he will surely come back to you someday. No matter how, but he will come back to you someday. Anyhow, it will come back to you someday. Even it doesn't come back to you, even your children, your generation, then will reap it. So in anything that you are doing in this world, you should be very careful. Very careful the way you treat people. Mind how you treat people, because you know most especially when you treat innocent people, God have a avenger of innocent people. Be mindful how you treat people. I'm begging, please be mindful. Be very careful how you treat people, how you destroy people's image. Be very careful, because whatsoever you do today will come back to you tomorrow. No matter how you will do it, it will come back. It will surely come back to you one day. In anything at all you do to somebody, it will come back to you one day, because this our God is not they sleep at all. He know they sleep in anything you do. Some people now they go say people they progress. At the end of the day, go they spoil this person name. You go they spoil this person name. It no good. Mind the way you treat people, even though you no care about yourself, care about your children. Because in anything where you do, if they follow your children, they go anywhere they go. If you are a good person, if you be good person now, anywhere where your children go, when they measure your number, they'll say, this one are the pikin of so person. That woman too good oh. I go help the pikin oh. Even though I don't get anything to eat, but I must help the pikin because of this woman. God bless you. Thank you very much. Bless you too. Thank you very much. Please help me to share and invite someone. Anything where you do to people, most especially now some women, some ladies, the way they destroy their neighbor, the way they destroy their ladies is not good. When you see me, as for me, when I see somebody do something, when I know say I not go fit do, I praise that person. I embrace that person. Because I will try to know that person. I want to know how you take do. Make I still do the same thing. But for this world where we dare today, if you see person wey buy car just now, person now for you to say congratulations. For you to say congratulations, you go say that one a car, which car you say you buy sef? That car be that. I go buy the one where you pass that one. You can't forget, say, if you rejoice with this person, God go see answer your prayer. You forget that one so soon. You go see person now where you get belle. You as a woman, you dey look for the fruit of the womb. For you to appeal with that person. Oh, my sister, God will do one for you. He go do one for me. You go start to dey commonize that person. You go dey give her name. Or you dey look for pikin. Children go dey around you. Children go surround you. For you to dey treat that children well. From there, may God for hear your prayer. That children now you go dey bring them down. You go dey beat them. How God want to hear your prayer? You say you dey look for work. You see person where they work. For you to say, my brother, congratulations. That is the thing that you are looking for. Now that thing they make you they wet your pillow at night. You go they use math say they bring that person that say that your work say they no just they try. Which work be that? I not go fit work that kind of work. Where you know say you they look for work. Where you know say you they look for work. You go see some friends today. Some friends now, they go there with you. You go do everything by thing for them. At the end of the day, now this kind person now go still go outside tomorrow. He go rubbish your name. He go say that lady not good, that brother not good, that sister not good, that sister not evil, that sister not this one, that sister not this one. How you want make God to bless you tomorrow? You can't forget, say, the Lord of innocence, they exist. You know, see, if you treat person bad, that person cry. That moment where you take cry, something don't come up for your life. A great thing don't come up for your life. That years where you fall from that person eye, something big thing don't come up for your life. Now some certain things go they happen to people. You go they look weird. Something not happen. You go they say na my sister brother, na my cousin, na my auntie, na my papa wife, or na my brother wife. You don't know say na wetin you sow, now you dey reap. You don't know say na law of karma na they come to you so. You don't know say na wetin you do to that sister yesterday. That sister cry. For that her cry, God hear her prayer at that moment. You don't know. Not be everything na family they cause. You go see some problem today where we they go through for this Euro, for this Western world. Now some of them, now we now use our hands cause them. Now we now use our hands cause them. Now waiting they worry us today. At the end of the day, we go they run after prophets. We go they run after deliverance. You don't know, say now waiting you do for you to correct your mistake. Now trouble. Please, my brothers and sisters, help me to share this message. Help me to share this message. Let him meet a lot of people. Because they are devil that is living with us today. People where no one sees you. People where no one see me. Because say you laugh. Somebody go your hate you for it. Just that your laugh when you laugh. You go your hate you. If you even ask and say, what will make you hate this person? You not go fit get anything where you go talk. Say this one are the reason that make me hate the person. Because say you dress well, somebody can hate you because of that. Somebody can hate you because of that. That you're dressing, because say you dress well, he go just hate you. If you ask this person now, wetin make you hate this person now, e no get meaning. E no go fit talk one thing say, now wetin this person do, na make me hate am. Because say your husband laugh with you, people go dey jealous you, they go want make dem bring you down. You as a single lady, you see man and a woman, they go there, they happy, they go. Your belly not the sweet. And later on, you go inside house, go they pray to God, say, Father, I need husband, I need a life partner. How you want, say, make God take answer you? I'm asking you. How do you want make God take answer you? If you're not happy, Bible say, rejoice with those that rejoice and mock with those that mock. Wetin make Bible talk and say, if you see anything good where your neighbor do, happy with this your neighbor, so that your own go see there on top they come. So that thing where you they beg for, where you they ask God for, Baba God do this thing for me, you go see happen to you. Not destroy person. You know, say this our word for man, so he can kill, he can save. For you, if I ask you now, you that is looking me now, if I ask you now whether you don't keep person, you go say, no, I never keep person. You go say, no, I never keep person. But you can't forget, say, you lie on somebody's head. And this person now, you know, say whether you go, because of that lie, because of what you did to that person now, whether you don't go eat poison now, that person don't go die now, you don't know. You destroy person marriage just because of your jealousy. At the end of the day, now you go say you never kiss somebody. No, you never kill person. But you dey lie on somebody. You don't know, say that lie when you lie on somebody, say that person don't already die. That person don't already die. It's not for you to kill to take a gun. Say me you take shoot person. Now you make you kill person. Not for you to make you take knife, make you take shoot person. Now make you kill person. No. 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 I can remember a story. When I dey grow, they come that years. And this is the thing when I no go fit forget. You as a woman out there, you meet a man, say, he don't fair get pikin. You come marry that man. As you love that man, you go love that any of his children. If you know, say, you not go feel love him, you not go feel love the children, you better quit from that marriage. You better not marry that man. So I want to tell you a story, a law of karma. In this life, whatsoever you sow, you reap. It turn around because this world now just circle. It dey turn every day. Everybody they meet you. Oh. This woman now, she get 2 children for this man where he come meet. And this man don't forget 3 children before the woman married the man. With out of jealousy. Because say this man, if this man come, he dey take care of that children. He dey buy something for the children. The wife can't get out of jealousy. Wetin he want to go meet Baba Alawo. Baba Alawo give am medicine. Make it put am for the food of the children. If he make food for the children, make it put am for the food of the children. And this woman, after he made food finish, this are the children when the woman cooked before. They give those children. Even though he give the children at all, now only little you go give them. The one where she no need, the one where she her children no need, now you go give the rest children. At the end of the day, he make a special food. These are the children that you don't even take care of before. These are the children you don't know whether they eat or whether they die. He make food, make it give to these children. After he made the food finish, he put the poison where the native daughter give her. He covered the food down. He called the children. Una can't carry una food. And the children reach there and say, now the senior one say, Mama never cooked this kind of food before. Oh my God, this is the fun. Our Christmas day be this. These children, they want to eat food. Now the rich children of this woman say, ask Mama go give us this small food. You can't give this late big food. Mona give me una food. These children, they exchange food. They give the poison one to the woman children. They collect the woman children food and eat. All of them, they eat. At the end of the day, the death will be me for those the other children. Now the children can't die. You see love, karma. Mind the way you treat people, most especially innocent one. The key way, the plan will be planned for those children. It can't happen for our head, for our children health. At the end of the day, her husband pursue her. What did she take a month there? Empty hand. The children where he born there, he not there. He still come on with empty hand and disgrace. You know, for this life, if you hate person, you want to kill this person by all means. You know, say anything where you plan to those person, it can return back to you in 100 form. Mind the way you treat people, so that your sin will not catch up with you. So that your error will not catch up with you. So that what you plan to that person, it will not catch up with you. The only advice I have to people, make sure your heart is clean. When your heart is clean, somebody is trying to bring you down. That person will fall down for your sake. When you did not plan evil to your neighbor is trying to plan evil for you. That evil will return back to that person for your sake. You not spoil person's head. If they try to spoil your head, that try when you want to spoil your head, God will use that try to make you to meet a great people that will change your life instantly. Be good to people, because love come and they exist. I have a lot of stories. My brothers and sisters, help me to share this message. Help me to share this message. Let it reach the world. Because this world is full of evil. It's full of evil. Envious. May we be careful. For the sake of our children. For the sake of our loved ones, may we be careful. Because whatsoever you sow, you will reap. The evil that made you live with them, you will come back to you one day. You will not escape it. You will receive, you will reap what you sow one day. It not go past you at all. It not go past you. Be careful how you treat people. You'll see some people today, their life is not what to talk about. Not be somebody they pursue them. Now then they pursue themselves. Because when you are not happy with people progress, you will not be progress. If you are envious with people, your life they go down. Mind what you do to people. We should be very careful the way we treat people. Because it will turn back to you someday. If not you, your children will reap it. If you know you love your children, the way you treat your children, treat people as well. Some people there, now nothing where their neighbor do, way good, now let their own good. Nothing where somebody do, where they better for eye, now lay now good. He has a sweet voice to bring people down. He has a sweet voice to destroy people's name. At the end of the day, when you are receiving the law of karma, you will say that this person, he do me bad. Now this person, now my papa wife, now they disturb me. Not be your papa wife, my sister. Not be your papa wife, my brother. Now what you sow, you are reaping. You kill your neighbor pikin. At the end of the day, you can't feel say your own not go die. He go die. You see your neighbor something. At the end of the day, you can't feel say your own not go lost. Your own go lost too. Mindful. Be careful what you do to people. Be careful what you do to people. Some people's life have condemned because of somebody when they draw closer. Their lives don't condemn today. Because of who? When they open door for. Some people, they are out of their marriage today. Because of who? Because of friends when they draw, say they want to give her help. At the end of the day, this friend go drive her away. He go drive her away. Please help me to share this message. Your friend see you say you dey suffer. Your friend see you say you not get help. He can't take you enter house as my friend. My friend not get help. My friend they suffer. At the end of the day, you go try, you go do everything possible where you want to drive your friend out. Is it a crime for that person to help you? Is it a crime? Somebody give you belle. He run away from you. Your friend now take you enter house. Say, may you call my sister. May you not suffer. Call my house. I go beg my husband. Because say you see the way where your friend made the way in with her husband. Say they play love. At the end of the day, your high they pay you. You no want see her. Because say not be your friend. Tell you say may you all run leave you. Now help now she did. You want scatter the marriage by force, by fire, by thunder. You want to scatter the marriage. You can't they cook everywhere. Where you go to deceive your friend. Say her husband they cheat on her. May your friend come they quarrel with her husband. Because say you not like that place. At the end of the day, you can't say may God bless you. If you can't they reap, how that your husband go take come back quick you run leave you. I'm asking you. You destroy your friend, finish your marriage, your friend marriage finish. You can't say you not go remain single forever. You go remain single, my sister. Or you are that man out there. Your friend, he describe his girlfriend for you. At the end of the day, you can't follow back. They go they deceive that girl. Say that my friend not good though. Na so woman. Now they follow they go. Na so woman. Now they friend. At the end of the day, you don't destroy that relationship. You can't they pray say, oh God, I need a good woman. I want relationship. I you all want a good. I'm asking. I you all want a good. Are you as a man out there? In this Europe, woman don't suffer everything for you. Then woman self even make you say you get property. Because of the strength of that woman, because of her strength, you can't get house, you can't get property. She go still born for you. At the end of the day, you go say you not go marry this woman. You go they destroy her name. How your life go take better? You know the better, my brother. You go see some suffer where men they suffer today. Now because of woman where you betrayed, now be that your suffer. Now because of that woman where you betrayed, the cry of that woman, that time where it take silent, that time where she take crying. Anytime you remember that word, her belly they beat her, her heart they beat her. Nothing where she go do that day where you go dead normal. Now so your life go see be your life go dead disastrous. Anytime where she take remember, when she take this sad, now so your life go take this sad. You see some men today, anything where they do, no one they good. No one they good. Because of that woman where you deceived before. Because of that woman where you destroy her life. You go promise woman heaven and earth. At the end of the day, you can't leave her. You can't say she not get character. You forget say she not get character before. When she they give you the money, you they take them. You want build us. You want get estate. You want get everything. Then she get character. But now she not get character. After you don't done with her, she doesn't have character. You go say you not go reap what you sow. You go reap her. No pastor of this head go fit deliver you. No prophet go fit deliver you. Unless you turn back and look for that woman, apologize to that woman. You as a woman out there, you deceive that man. You dey collect money from that man. You go dey give the one where you love. At the end of the day, you saw a lot of karma will not visit you. He will visit you. One man they cry because of you. Because of what you do, law of karma go visit you. He go visit you. He go visit you, my sister. Be careful of what you do. Because whatsoever you do, it turn back to come meet you. Treat people the way you want people to treat you. Do for people the way you want people to do for you. Be careful of what you do. Be careful of what you say in your mouth, because this our tongue is so powerful. This our tongue can create, it can save, it can take a soul. This our tongue. Things where they said is so powerful. It can save, it can destroy at a minute. Waiting we don't use all our life they build. For seconds, this our tongue go fit destroy. We should be careful of what we say to people. We should be careful how we treat people, because someday it will turn back to you. It will return back to you. No matter how you will do it, it will return back to you. When you see your friend is doing great, be happy with this, your friend. Don't be sad. Don't destroy her name. Don't destroy somebody. Don't make people to hate somebody when you know that this person is not like that. Don't destroy her name. Be very careful of what you do, because it will come back to you someday. You will not believe how he will come. It will be like a dream to you. Be very careful how you treat people, because he will come back to you someday. A lot of people, they will be receiving what they did yesterday. The pain is going on because they doesn't know what to do about it. But it's not too late for you. If you know that anybody that you wrong, that person have cried so hard, that person have shed tears, please, I beg of you, brothers and sisters, try, look for this person and apologize. Look for this person and apologize. I beg of you. Be very careful what you do to people. Don't tarnish somebody's image. Don't destroy people. Don't let that person, that sister, that brother, that auntie, that uncle to cry for your sake. Don't let her to be a moment of silence for your sake. Because that moment, it will cause a lot in your life. That moment, it takes things away from your life. Be very careful. Because what you do today is coming back to you tomorrow. Very careful, brother. Very careful, sister. May God bless you. Share this message. Let him meet people. Invite someone, or till we meet again next time with a great topic again. I love you all. I will continue to love you. Please try to make things right for the sake of your children. Make things right, because it's very important when you make things right. I love you all. Until we meet again next time. May God bless you. Remain blessed and remain cool. Bye for now.